Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Henne kasngi ka arpoi trek ubna julio. Kadai kasngi ka bakarpang bat ka jingnyo kor ya ka pot katem bat karwai ka siaw. Ha ka pertai hi borok away. Ya ka belatep kum ka World Music Day. Ha kani ka jala jungiru nolor ki kinhuan ba per kan top ya ki ba e jinrai bat khamtam kinong tam nong pot bat ki kaitor. Kawai ni ki jing rakhe kabala yo ban sakhi kadai ru kabala pelong de ka St Anthony's College Shillong lengba ka Department of Music. Hapo ka jingalam u Professor Ishang Pliang. Ya kani ka jing rakhe la pelong ha kawai ni ki yeng kabari sumari ki khonswet bamdan shu ki kimi ki pa kabaran hapo mauro Shillong. Ya ka belatep kum ka Ferrando Transit House kabala penyaj da ki sister jong ka Missionary Sisters of Mary Help of Christian. Hang ne hakani kasngi ka jira ke hi kalalong bai de jing ya tam yapon ba ka jingruai ki bala pen khaya karpang de ki samla puli jong ka St Anthony's College ba la pen bot pat sada ka jing la kai ban pen belen ya ki khanna ki basang basa hakani ki yeng.
Through the storm, hold your head up high and don't be afraid of the dark. At the end of the storm is a golden sky and the sweet silver song of the Lord. Walk on through the wind, walk on through the rain, though your dreams be tossed and blown. Walk on, hope in your heart, and you'll never walk alone. You'll never walk alone. Climb every mountain, search high and low, follow every byway, every path you know. Climb every mountain, ford every stream, follow every rainbow till you find your dream. Jati wat kula patau, ingkong ingok idem, kai kan rat tembuk nong tau. Oi girl, oi girl. Shirip bukirane, lagar bangsi den risang, tutip jingle isnei, dei kakam kabak kentang. Oi girl. Hey, what do you think? Oh, girl. Oi girl, tingau ijaman rei, la sidat ilang berkau, kin mau ngundang merengi don ringkat batu nong kau. Oi girl, oi girl.
Day can be translated into different forms. I must say it's a World Motivation Day. The music really motivates us. Music is in the air, music is around us, music is in the heart, music is in the blood. I remember in the year 2009, I have taken around 50 youth from Northeast. I was a coordinator of the Northeastern Regional Youth Commission. 50 youth from Northeast, from all over the states, Tripura, Arunachal, Mizoram, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, and so on. They were asking us to perform one cultural program. You can imagine, Northeast, we don't have one cultural program. Each state has got its own. Within the state too, we have got so many cultural items. And what we did, we sang one song, Northeast India, Bless the Lord. I hope every one of you know about the song. And I have prepared this youth to come with their own cultural dress. When the program was taking place, I remember the youth from all over India gathered, big crowd. It was at night, around 11, 12 o'clock already. When other states, other places, South India, North India, started singing, dancing, and performing their cultural items, the whole crowd make noise and dance. When Northeast came forward to the stage, then there was perfect silence. I do not know why. Maybe they were so touched by the performance of the Northeast. All in one, different dresses. I did not even know it was a competition. And it happened that 1 o'clock they announced saying that Northeast got first prize. Yeah. Why I say this, and the first, second, third prize winners were selected to perform in the following day, where we were having a program again, where the governor was there in Mangalore. And when the Northeast started performing their program, after that, governor gave a talk. I still remember, Northeast people, music is in your blood. It was so beautiful to hear, isn't it? So on this World Music Day, I wish all of you, we are in Northeast, wherever maybe, we are in Northeast. So all of you who are here, you are in Northeast. So I wish all of you World Music Day in a very special day, because music is in your blood. And music, I said, is a motivation day. Music really motivates us. No? What we cannot express in words, we express in music, and it satisfies us.